war, do a diss like an outright diss song where it's a headshot. He's gonna set it up like war. You know what I'm saying?
Calculated and strategy.
Yeah, when people went to go get Hitler, they didn't go straight for Hitler. They set up fake tanks. They set this and this. So he gonna do stuff like live 5 blocks down the street from you. DM
what
every.
What's that? Crept through the light switch. That is that?
Yeah.
What you talking
He gonna like go and DM every single girl in your family, every single girl around your family, everybody, all your niggas, girl. He's gonna.
Really?
So it becomes like. So you already got that. It's like away games and home games and stuff like in football and this is professional rap. Right. This is the first time we in a place of like professional rap. So all that's there. So if he throws out a bar right here, it might be a bar only like what Pac said, you and I know what's going on. Right. But it's all psychological, right? So it's like
What's going on YouTube? AGV came raw, and from the beginning of that clip from the beginning of the video, you already know what this one's gonna be about. Welcome to AGV Webisodes. Drake finally responded to the little diss from Kendrick Lamar, Future, and Metro Boomin. It was like a joint little jab, but Drake finally don't get in the DMs trying to get on me, and you know what I'm saying? It's early as hell. I just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning, and I seen this stuff going viral. So I don't know if you live under a rock or if you live in the middle of the Bermuda Triangle. If you don't know about Future doing the Rolling Loud a couple days ago, if you didn't see Travis on stage like going crazy talking about play that little song, we got an album coming. If you ain't see all that, I'll play this clip right now.
Please, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Metro was trying to get out of here like. Nah, Metro, you gotta let that shit go right now, bro.
Never selling dope, is you like that?
Man, I need that man, I'm off, I'm trying to.
Okay.
Hey, Metro.
Yeah.
I need you to get out there with Pluto one time, man. We gotta make this a movie, you know what I'm saying? This not one. This the one.
Hold on. You want the album right now, nigga?
Everybody gotta wait on that one. I ain't gonna lie. Everybody gotta wait on that one. Everybody gotta wait on that one. Yeah.
It's just a few days.
We're gonna take our mask off one time. We gotta go in there with some.
They don't get the dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Hold on.
Don't never selling dope, is you like that?
I got you. What you want, Metro?
You got it?
I got it.
The new one.
Nah, you got that.
All right, just play the one you got, and we're gonna cut it after the hook.
Oh.
We're gonna play the album, nigga.
And the album, you got it, Joe. You got the album.
Here we go. We're gonna play the fucking album.
So yeah, so if you didn't see that, what Future and Travis Scott was talking about was actually a reference track or a diss track that they had against Drake. I don't know what been going on, but from what I heard, Metro Boomin, I don't know. But from what I heard, Metro Boomin got his girl hit by Drake, or something like that, and something else. I don't know who girl got hit by who. All I know is that from the way these boys be talking, they share everything. So I'm not surprised why they so argumentative over women. It don't really make sense if y'all sharing every one of them. That's nasty as hell. And that ain't my business. That's not my business. But this ain't my business either. But I do not understand why these rappers always love like shouting out the devil. Like they know that nigga personally, like they know that nigga on a one-on-one basis. I don't know. That's just me though. I don't understand that. But back to the video, back to what we actually here for. So Drake went on stage, and he had a few words to say about everybody that's dissing him or making comments about what he got going on, like asking him how he feel. Personally, what I think about the diss is you got the few bars from Kendrick Lamar where he's saying, you know, he's like, what did he say? He's like, F the big three, it's just big me, or whatever. Facts of the matter is, the last album that Kendrick Lamar dropped was the Big Morales and the Big Stepper or whatever. That sold about 100,000 copies. When it comes to a big three right now, in my opinion, when I look at it, I'd say like J. Cole is number one because he's like the fan favorite. Then you got Drake number two because he got the machine behind him. And then you got Kendrick Lamar. And Kendrick Lamar would fall in the last place because he drops like every 3 to 5 years. So it's like you not being a consistent beast in the field, you gotta lack points for that. You do lack points for that. And that's what J. Cole gains points for. Because he's never, since he's been on, I've never heard or seen a time where they was like questioning J. Cole. So when it comes to dissing, if Kendrick wanted to diss like Drake himself, I think he would have had a better chance of winning that battle versus Drake and J. Cole. Because J. Cole is not somebody you want to diss at all. J. Cole is, to me personally, I think J. Cole, and I'm not saying he's soft, I just personally think that J. Cole is the type of person that you don't really want to beef with. Like, he's the type of person that has modes. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, you think just because he chilling, he won't murder it. Like, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, it's certain people who you have to have you got to be wary of. Because certain people, they're calm for a reason. So people like J. Cole, I think J. Cole is the type of person that tries to be more Jesus-like and more regular and more personal because he has that attribute about him. But I think it's like, personally, I just think like a crazy man can't play smart, but a smart man can play crazy. You get what I'm saying? So I think when it comes to that, I think J. Cole is the type of person that wears masks, you get what I'm saying, and don't really tell people how he really feel or what he's really thinking. Because what he's really thinking is too much for like most people. I don't know, that's my personal opinion. But if you didn't hear what Drake had to say about any nigga or whatever he said, if you didn't hear that clip, I'll play that one too. That's here.
A lot of people ask me how I'm feeling. I'm gonna let you know how I'm feeling. And listen, the way I'm feeling is the same way I want you to walk out of here feeling tonight about your fucking self. Cause you know how I'm feeling? I got my fucking head up high, my back straight, I'm 10 fucking toes down in Florida or anywhere else I go, and I know that no matter what, it's not a nigga on this earth that can ever fuck with me in my life. And that's how I want you to walk out of here tonight. But in order to, you know, get yourself all gassed up, riled up, and move towards the future, sometimes you gotta acknowledge the mistakes that you made in the past, right? Right? So this is what I want you to do. Everybody in here.
Yeah. So that's what Drake had to say about the whole situation. I don't know. What do y'all think is gonna happen? Do y'all think it's gonna be a real civil war? Because from what I seen pictures of a civil war. I seen what did they say? Future and Kanye and who else? They had a bunch of people on that side. Then they had Drake and J. Cole and a bunch of people on that side. And why? I don't understand why Nav unfollowed Drake. I understand Rick Ross because Rick Ross is on the album, but why did Nav unfollow Drake on Instagram? If y'all know that, get in the comment box, let me know that too. But yeah, this is just an update. I just wanted to talk to y'all about what's going on right now in the era when it came to hip hop. Don't understand a lot of these comments. The album that Metro and Future just dropped, I didn't listen to it. I don't think I'm gonna listen to it just because of that one song and the way they. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna listen to it. I'm gonna listen to it, but I just don't really like the whole I don't know. I don't understand it when they be like, oh, they talking to the devil or this and that about the devil. I don't really understand all that kind of conversation. So I don't really like listening to that stuff. I don't like putting like stuff like that in my airways. It's like I just be paying attention to what I'm listening to. And I think y'all should probably start doing that too. But whatever. Kung Fu Kenny. I don't think that disc gonna go nowhere. But I ain't gonna lie, if it was JID versus Baby Keem, what y'all think? Okay, look at this. Let's just say this. JID versus Keem, right? And then I know Kendrick Lamar ain't TDE no more, but like Absol versus Party Next Door. Absol versus McConan? I don't know. Let me shut up. I'm playing. All right. That's it. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching. Thanks for watching. I love y'all. God love y'all more. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Yeah.